Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll resolve one particular error, that is no module name Docx. So let's open the project folder. I'm executing that particular project and we are facing that error. So just open in terminal, run python space app.py, then hit enter. So we are facing that particular error. So that particular error, module not found error, no module name Docx. First, we have to check that Python is installed or not. So first, we have to click on the Windows key and then write edit environment variable. Then click on the environment variables. Then double click on the path. So Python 3.10 and Python 3.10 script folder is already there. So just double click on that and copy that particular path. Then click on cancel, cancel, and cancel. Now just paste the location here and check that Python 3.10 is installed or not. Yeah, so Python 3.10 is already there and folder is already there. Okay, so let's go back. Both the location is already added. Open the terminal and let's install this particular library with install python hyphen docs. Then hit enter. So it is collecting the Python docs and LXML. Now successfully install LXML. Now let's check the version. Pip show python hyphen docs. Then hit enter. Then it will show the version 1.2.0. Okay, and this will be the solution of that particular error. So we have to install pip install python docs. Okay, this will be the solution of that particular error. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.